Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn on your computer that has Windows 10 operating system installed into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's get started. For that we need to come down here to the search box and type in settings. Now we are going to click on this setting apps. From this window, click on network and internet. We need to come to the left side and click on mobile hotspot. As you can see in here, mobile hotspot share my internet connection with other devices. By default it is turned off, so we are going to turn this on. Now share my internet connection over Wi-Fi. So if yours is selected as Bluetooth, just change it to Wi-Fi. If you want, we can also change this credential. For that, just click on this edit button. Edit network info. Change the network name and password that other people use for your shared connection. So for the network name, I will put and then for the password, I'm going to give it password as and then after that click on save. So the setting has been applied. From here, as you can see, device connected 0 of 8. Now I'm going to connect my iPhone to this hotspot, and then this will change from 0 of 8 to 1 of 8. So I'm going to connect to PC hotspot. Yes, it will ask me for the password. I'm going to give it the password, and there you go, it just connected. So from here you can see that 1 of 8, and the device name is Feroz iPhone, and the IP address is 192.168.137.25, and this is the physical address or the MAC address of my iPhone. So let's just close this window. So that's how you can turn on your computer that has Windows 10 operating system installed into a Wi-Fi hotspot and connect your other devices like your mobile phone, your iPhone, your other PCs or your tablet, and use internet. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.